name is Tanya, and I'm a teacher and oral examiner based in Thessaloniki, Greece. I'm so excited because I would like to invite you to my session, Critical Thinking in the EFL Classroom, at TESOL France Annual International Colloquium, which will take place online on the 19th, 20th and 21st of November in 2021. Join me in this session and find out more about critical thinking skills. More specifically, we're going to take a deeper look on what thinking is and what this has to do when learning a language. After that, we're going to focus on critical thinking skills and on some hots and lots stuff. However, the most intriguing part for me begins when we start working on specific activities that we can do in order to promote critical thinking. It will be an interactive session, so I'll be so looking forward to hearing your own thoughts, your own experiences and stories regarding this. Sharing is caring. So I hope that we will have the chance to discuss and reflect upon your own experience and on critical thinking. So if you want to learn to think and think to learn, this is the right session for you. Thanks for watching this video and see you online. Take care. Bye-bye.